Over the last 25 years, India has experienced a significant rise in extreme weather events, with notable types including heat waves, floods, cyclones, lightning strikes, and changes in snow and cold spells in hilly regions. Major weather events and trends. Heat waves. India saw a sharp increase in heat wave days, particularly from 2010 onward, with states like Punjab and Uttarakhand experiencing as many as 22 heatwave days in 2024. The heat waves have resulted in thousands of deaths annually, with over 450 deaths reported in 2024 alone due to intense heat. Floods and rainfall. There has been record high rainfall in some years, such as the highest monsoon rainfall recorded since 1994 in 2019, causing severe flooding and landslides in states like Kerala, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and Punjab. Flood events have increased dramatically since 1950, tripling in frequency, affecting nearly a billion people and causing tens of thousands of deaths over recent decades. Cyclones. Notable cyclones in the reviewed period include the 1998 Gujarat cyclone, 1999 Odisha cyclone, Cyclone Hudhud in 2014, and Cyclone Amphan in 2020, all causing significant loss of life and damage. Lightning. Lightning has become a leading cause of natural disaster deaths in recent years, with over 1,300 deaths recorded in 2024 alone. Snow and cold. Northern hill states are experiencing irregular snowfall patterns, with a notable reduction in snowfall in early 2025 and increased cold wave days in some regions. Climate change impact. These events exemplify the intensifying impact of climate change, with an overall rise in fatalities, 269% increase in deaths from extreme weather events from 2001 to 2025, and economic losses estimated at 180 billion US dollars from 1993 to 2022. Notable specific events. 2013 Kedarnath disaster, over 4,000 deaths due to floods and landslides. 2019 worst monsoon in 25 years with record rainfall and floods. 2024 heatwave deaths over 450. Wayanad landslides killed 350. 2025 early heat waves, heavy rains and landslides in northern hill states. Wheat crop destruction from vines in Punjab and Haryana. India ranked as the sixth most climate-affected country globally from 1993 to 2022 due to these extreme weather events, which include droughts, floods, storms, and heat waves, reflecting vulnerable geographic and climatic conditions aggravated by climate change.